Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x minus 2 over square root of x is equal to 3. Here x greater than 0 and x belongs to R. Okay, let square root of x is equal to y, or squaring both sides we can write here square root of x whole square is equal to y square. Now this cancel this, so here we will get x is equal to y square. So we will find out x is equal to y square, so we can write here y square minus 2 over square root of x is y is equal to 3. Okay, or now multiplying both sides by y we can write here y times y square minus 2 over y is equal to 3 times y, or y times y square is y cube minus this y cancel this y, so here we will get 2 is equal to 3y, or y cube minus 2. Now taking this 3y to left side we will get negative 3y is equal to 0, or now adding 1 and subtracting 1 we can write y cube plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3y is equal to 0, or y cube plus 1 can be written as 1 cube because 1 cube and 1 are same as same, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 minus 3y is equal to 0. Now here we can use a algebraic formula. We know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So apply this rule, we can write y plus 1 times y square minus y plus 1. Now taking common minus 3 to last two term we will get minus 3 times 1 plus y is equal to 0, or y plus 1 times y square minus y plus 1 minus 3. Now 1 plus y can be written as y plus 1 is equal to 0, or now taking common y plus 1 we will get y plus 1 times y square minus y plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0, or y plus 1 times y square minus y minus plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here y plus 1 is equal to 0 and y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, or y is equal to, taking this positive 1 to right side we will get negative 1, so y is equal to negative 1, but here negative 1 not possible because x greater than 0, so this negative value are rejected. Now here this is a nice quadratic equation, so we can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1 and c is equal to -2. So we can write here y is equal to minus b, that means -1 plus or minus square root of b, -1 square minus 4 times a1c -2 over 2 times 1, or y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 8 over 2 is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 9 over 2 is equal to 1 plus or minus 3 over 2. So there are two values of y, so we can write here y is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2 and y is equal to 1 minus 3 over 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 over 2 is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2, and here 1 minus 3 is minus 2 over 2 is equal to minus 1, but this is rejected because this is a negative value. So finally we will get y is equal to 2. Now recall x is equal to y square, x is equal to y square, or x is equal to y, y is equal to 2, so we can write it 2 square. So finally we will get x is equal to 4. Now check our equation is x minus 2 over square root of x is equal to 3. X minus 2 over square root of x is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4, so we can write here 4 minus 2 over square root of 4 is it equal to 3, or 4 minus 2 over square root of 4 is 2 is it equal to 3, or 4, here LCM is 2, so we can write it 2. 4 times 2 is 8 minus 2 is it equal to 3, or 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 over 2 is it equal to 3. So 6 over 2 is 3, 3 is equal to 3, so our answer is correct. The value of x is equal to 4. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.